Hello everybody, hope everyone is well. My names are Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and today we are going to have our Luganda lesson 6, Soma Luganda Luganda. Today we are going to learn about introducing ourselves and day-to-day speeches. In Luganda we say okweyanjula wamu n'enjogera eya bulijjo. So in English, introductions. In Luganda, okweyanjula. Okweyanjula. So when you go visit somebody or meet someone, they will ask questions. So let's say this is question. In Luganda we say ekibuuzo. Ekibuuzo. Who are you? In Luganda, gwe ani. Gwe ani. Then you respond by saying reply or kuddamu. Reply or response or kuddamu. I'm Judy. Nze Judy. Nze Judy. Question ekibuuzo. Question ekibuuzo. What are your names? You see, in this question they said, who are you? It's up to you to choose what to answer, whether you say one name, I'm Judy, or you say all your names. But this question 2 is specific. It says, what are your names? In Luganda, ekibuuzo, question, amannya go gwe ani. Amannya go gwe ani. Then reply okuddamu. Reply okuddamu. You respond by saying, my names are Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. In Luganda you say okuddamu, amannya gange yenze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Amannya gange yenze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Question 3. Somebody might ask you, where are you from? In Luganda, ekibuuzo, ovaawa. There must be a question mark here. I forgot. Ovaawa. Where are you from? Ovaawa. Reply okuddamu. Reply okuddamu. Then you answer, I'm from Johannesburg. Nva Johannesburg. Nva Johannesburg. Where are you from? Ovaawa. I'm from Johannesburg. Nva Johannesburg. So these are the day-to-day sayings. In Luganda, enjogera ya bulijjo. Yes. Yeah. Yes. In Luganda you say yeah. Or Maybe you can even nod your head while you're saying to show that you are agreeing. Yes. Yeah. Or no. In Luganda, nedda. Nedda. While you nod your head to show that no, you are disagreeing. Nedda. I don't know. Simanyi. Simanyi. I don't want. Saagala. Saagala. I'm grateful. Nsiimye nnyo. If I'm one, thanking this person, I'm grateful about whatever he or she has done, I'll say nsiimye nnyo in singular. Nsiimye nnyo. But if we are many, thanking that one person, will say tusiimye nnyo. Tusiimye nnyo in plural. I'm thankful. In Luganda I say neeyanzizza nnyo. Singular. Neeyanzizza nnyo. In plural we will say tweyanzizza nnyo. Tweyanzizza nnyo. Thank you. In Luganda we say weebale. Singular. Weebale. Plural, we are thanking many people. Mwebale. Mwebale. Thank you so much. In Luganda we say weebale nnyo. Singular, I'm thanking one person, I will say weebale nnyo. But if I'm thanking many people, then in plural I will say mwebale nnyo. Mwebale nnyo. Do you speak Luganda? In Luganda we say oyogera Oluganda. Oyogera Oluganda. Okay. Okay in Luganda is kale. Kale. But some people make it a bit longer and they say kale. Kale. They prolong the word by saying kale. Kale. So you may say kale or kale. Okay? Kale. Sorry. In Luganda, nsonyiwa. Nsonyiwa. Excuse me. Owange. In Luganda, owange. But if you have that excuse me with an attitude, excuse me, then in Luganda you say owange. Owange, like you are, you show some attitude, you are not happy, you know. Owange. I have no money. In Luganda you say sirina sente. Sirina sente. I have no money. Sirina sente. Go away. In Uganda you say genda eri. If you are chasing one person you say genda eri. But if you are chasing many people you say mugende eri. Mugende eri. I love you. In singular, in Luganda you say nkwagala. I love you. Nkwagala. But if you are saying it to many people, you say mbagala. Mbagala. In plural, I love you. Mbagala. I love you so much. In Luganda you say singular nkwagala nnyo. Nkwagala nnyo in singular. In plural you say mbagala nnyo. Mbagala nnyo. Help. Yamba. Help. Yamba. That's the end of our lesson 6 in Enkomerero y'essomo ery'omukaaga. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed all other Luganda lessons, you can find them on my YouTube channel. When you get to YouTube, you just look for Judy's Basket. Judy's Basket. Then you get all the lessons I've taught so far. Please, when you get there, don't forget to subscribe. I will love that. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Mweraba. Mweraba. Hopefully you learned something from this lesson 6 and hoping to meet you here again. Thank you so much. Akume, stay blessed. Bye.